Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about the World Youth Festival that is going to be held in Malaysia. So the registration is open from 20 April to 20 May 2023. So you can check here event details. This event will be held from 24 to 27 July. The event location is Kuala Lumpur, that is in Malaysia. About this event, what is the World Youth Festival? The World Youth Festival is a forum to encourage youth to contribute, collaborate, and play a real role in nation building. High quality young generations will have an important role in the growth of ecosystem in the society. So why join the World Youth Festival? As a nation next generation, there are many things that must be developed to face various global challenges in the future. So some of the things that we should pay more attention to include the spirit of leadership, the ability to see and take advantage of opportunities, and a sense of collaboration. What are the objectives of the program? To build the character of youth leadership, sharpen up the ability to see and take advantage of opportunity, build the existence of the youth on the international sense, train the spirit of collaboration, continue the program for years to come by creating a strong network. And one will be World Youth Festival program be implemented. This event is going to be held from 24 to 27 July 2023 in Kuala Lumpur, that is Malaysia. So you can check the event schedule. Registration is open from 20 April to 20 May 2023. An announcement for participants from 25th May to 31st May, and for fully funded interview 25th June, and the delegate grouping is 25th June to 31st June, and final announcement for fully funded participant is on 10 July. So for example, if I'm going to apply for this program, so simply click on sign up. Firstly, you have to put your full name, email address and password, then click on sign up. So as I already make my account, so I'm going to log in my account. I have to put my email address and password, then click on sign in. So this is my login account. So submit it now. You have not submitted my application. So firstly, I have to complete my basic information, which include my full name, birth date, gender, address, nationality. I'm from Pakistan. Your occupation, your field of study, your WhatsApp number, and your other accounts details. Then go to next option. So friends, as I'm not going to apply for this program, but hope so you understand that how you can apply for this scholarship program. But hope so you understand that how you can apply for this World Youth Summit, and that is going to be held in Malaysia. So after completing your information, that is basic information, your question and your program, your self photo and your payment, after paying the application fee, then simply click on submit your application form. So friends, this is the procedure, and this is how you can apply for this World Youth Summit program in Malaysia. Must avail this opportunity if you are eligible for this program, and also share this video with your family and your friend circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.